If you want to stand out in today's job market and showcase your career achievements online, building your very own resume website is absolutely the way to go. In this tutorial, I'll walk you step by step through creating a sleek professional resume site using WordPress, even if you've never made one before. By the end of this video, you'll have an online home for your career story, ready to impress recruiters and clients alike. So let's dive right in. First, you'll want to pick out and install a theme or template for your website. The theme is essentially the clothes your site will wear. It controls how everything looks and feels, from the layout to the fonts to the colors. Now there's no need to reinvent the wheel here. WordPress has thousands of themes, and many are designed specifically for resumes and portfolios, which can save you a ton of setup time. In your WordPress dashboard, head to Appearance, then Themes, and click on Add New. Here's a tip. Use search terms like resume, CV, or portfolio, and you'll see themes pop up that are built exactly for this purpose. Take your time browsing, preview a few options, and imagine how each one might represent your experience. When you find one you like, just hit Install and then Activate. If you're new to this, don't worry. You can change themes later, but getting a solid resume theme from the start can make the whole process smoother. After you've chosen your theme, the next step is to add and organize your content. This is where you turn that default demo text into your real, professional story. Organizing your site is a bit like arranging sections of your printed resume, but you have more room and flexibility here. Start with your home page, a welcoming place for visitors. Add a friendly, concise introduction, a professional photo of yourself, and quickly highlight your area of expertise. Think of this as your elevator pitch. Next, your About page is your chance to go deeper. Share your educational background, any certifications, and a little more about your career journey. Now for your experience or skills section, lay out your work history and the key skills you bring to the table. If you've worked on specific projects, consider linking to those companies or to relevant projects here. Adding a portfolio or work samples page is an excellent move, especially for creative roles. Visuals like images, demo videos, or links to apps or articles give your achievements extra credibility. Don't forget testimonials. If a previous manager or coworker has recommended you, sharing their quotes here builds trust. Finally, your contact page is a must. Clearly list ways to reach you, such as your email address or phone, and add links to your professional social media profiles like LinkedIn. Make it easy for opportunities to find you. Once your content is in place, it's time to customize the design so your site really reflects who you are. Head to the WordPress customizer found under Appearance, Customize, or use your theme's page builder options if it has them. Adjust the site's colors and fonts. Choose ones that match your personal style but keep things professional and readable. A consistent color scheme and clean typography help create a strong, positive first impression. You can also tweak your layout. Try moving headers, footers, or sidebars as needed to get a balanced, uncluttered look. Branding is the finishing touch. Upload your own logo if you have one, and be sure to add a polished, recent headshot. Think of it like making sure your suit is pressed and your shoes are shined before a big interview. Take a final look around your site, click through the pages, and make sure everything feels just right. Once you're happy with how it looks and works, go ahead and hit publish. Your resume website is now live and ready to impress. If you found this walkthrough helpful, please give the video a like, and if you have any questions or want more tips about building your online presence, drop a comment below. I'd love to hear from you. Don't forget to subscribe for more step-by-step tutorials just like this. Good luck with your new resume site.